Welcome to FlyWP's DNS Manager, a simple way to manage all your domain records directly from the FlyWP dashboard. You no longer need to log in separately to your Cloudflare account. You can view, add, edit, and delete DNS records, all inside the FlyWP app. Here's how to get started. The top menu, click on DNS. You'll see your associated Cloudflare account right here. Select your account, and continue to the next step. Now, choose your domain. You'll find all your existing DNS records displayed in one place. Looking for something specific? Just use the search bar to quickly find any DNS record. Want to add a new record? Click the Add Record button. Choose the record type. Enter the root domain or a subdomain. Provide the destination server's IP address. You can also add a note to identify the purpose of this record. That part's optional. Next, decide if you'd like to enable Cloudflare's proxy. Turn it on for added security and performance. Keep in mind, with proxy enabled, TTL is set to auto. If proxy is off, you can customize your TTL settings. Once everything looks good, click Add Record. And that's it. You can also edit or delete existing records, all without leaving FlyWP. With the new DNS Manager, FlyWP makes domain management faster, easier, and all in one place.